What if you could grow your savings with zero fees and no minimum balance, all while earning one of the most competitive interest rates in the market? That's the promise of Discover Bank's high-yield savings account. But is it really the best option for your hard-earned money? Today, we're diving deep into the pros and cons of Discover Bank's high-yield savings account to help you decide if it's worth your consideration. Let's start by setting the stage. High-yield savings accounts have become a go-to option for people looking to earn more interest on their money without taking on the risks of investing. Discover Bank, a well-known name in online banking, offers a high-yield savings account that combines competitive rates with a fee-free structure. But as with any financial product, there are benefits and drawbacks to weigh. Pros of Discover Bank High-Yield Savings. Competitive interest rate. Discover's high-yield savings account offers an annual percentage yield, APY, of 3.75%. This rate is significantly higher than the national average for traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow faster over time. Unlike some banks that offer tiered APYs based on your balance, Discover applies this rate uniformly, so you'll earn the same interest regardless of how much you have in your account. No fees. One of the standout features of this account is its lack of fees. There are no monthly maintenance fees, insufficient funds fees, or excess withdrawal fees. This means every dollar you save stays in your account, working toward your financial goals. No minimum balance requirement. Whether you're starting with $10 or $10,000, Discover makes it easy to open an account. There's no minimum deposit required to get started, and you don't need to maintain a specific balance to earn interest. FDIC insurance. Like most reputable banks, Discover is FDIC insured, which means your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor. This provides peace of mind that your money is safe even in the unlikely event of a bank failure. Daily compounding interest. Interest on this account is compounded daily and paid monthly. This means your money grows faster because you're earning interest not just on your principal, but also on previously earned interest. User-friendly digital experience. Discover Bank operates entirely online, offering a seamless digital experience through its website and mobile app. You can easily check balances, transfer funds, and manage your account anytime and anywhere. 24/7 customer support. If you ever have questions or run into issues, Discover provides 24/7 customer service based in the U.S., ensuring help is always just a phone call away. Cons of Discover Bank High-Yield Savings. No physical branches. While online banking offers convenience for many, it can be a downside for those who prefer face-to-face interactions at physical branches. With Discover Bank, all transactions must be completed online or over the phone. No ATM access without a checking account. Unlike some other high-yield savings accounts that come with ATM cards for easy cash withdrawals, Discover's savings account doesn't include this feature unless you also open a checking account with them. This can make accessing cash less convenient. Withdrawal limits. Although federal regulations no longer require banks to limit withdrawals from savings accounts to 6 per month, Discover still enforces this rule. Exceeding this limit could result in penalties or even account closure. Not always the highest APY. While 3.75% APY is competitive, there are other banks and credit unions offering higher rates, sometimes exceeding 5%. If maximizing interest is your top priority, you might find better options elsewhere. Limited product offerings. Discover Bank focuses primarily on basic banking services like savings accounts, checking accounts, and CDs, certificates of deposit. If you're looking for more robust financial products like investment accounts or loans beyond student loans and personal loans, you'll need to look elsewhere. No cash deposit option. Since Discover doesn't have physical branches or ATMs that accept cash deposits, funding your account must be done through electronic transfers or mailed checks. This could be inconvenient if you frequently deal with cash. Inflation risk. Like all savings accounts, the real value of your earnings can be eroded by inflation if the rate of inflation outpaces the APY offered by Discover Bank. While this isn't unique to Discover's account, it's worth keeping in mind when planning long-term financial goals. Who is Discover Bank High Yield Savings best for? This account is ideal for individuals who prioritize earning a solid interest rate without worrying about fees or minimum balances. It's especially appealing for people comfortable with online-only banking, savers looking for simplicity and transparency, those who don't need frequent access to cash or physical branches, anyone seeking FDIC insurance for peace of mind. However, it might not